Are you wanting to paint outdoor furniture? Watch this video to learn how to properly seal your outdoor furniture pieces. Stay tuned. When you're painting outdoor projects, you need to keep in mind that they are needing a little bit of extra protection. There's of course the sunlight it's exposed to, as well as cold temperatures, heat, and rain. So you want to make sure that you seal your outdoor furniture pieces. Our all-in-one decor paint is suitable for exterior projects. You definitely want to make sure you follow up with a couple of coats of Tough Coat for ultimate protection for outside. In a previous video, I showed you how to glaze the top of this little bench with limestone and slate glazes to give it a stained look. And today I will finish it off with Tough Coat to seal it for outdoor use. The bottom is painted in crinoline, in case you're wondering. Okay, so with Tough Coat, you want to make sure you stir it really well. Never shake the jar because it will incorporate bubbles into the finish. When you use Tough Coat to seal your furniture, you want to make sure that you let your paint cure for at least 24 hours before you seal it in perfect conditions. If it's really cold or very humid, then it takes longer for your paint to cure. Tough Coat will seal everything in, so the water in the paint can no longer evaporate and will react with your Tough Coat finish. So you definitely want to avoid that. We're going to apply Tough Coat with this painting sponge, and we're simply going to wipe it on. All over the seat of our little bench here. Tough Coat dries really quickly, so you want to avoid going over the same area after it's already started to dry. So don't try to fix a little spot that you've missed. It's better to go back a second time round than try to fix it halfway through. Okay, that's one coat of Tough Coat all over the top of the bench. I'm going to let that dry for about an hour and then come back and do a second coat. When you're using the painting sponge, I would recommend doing 3 thin coats. With a paintbrush, you're applying slightly thicker coats, and 2 coats should be plenty when you're using a paintbrush to apply Tough Coat. So that's all you need to know about protecting your outdoor furniture pieces with Tough Coat and with Country Chic Paint's all-in-one decor paint. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us anytime. Happy painting!